First question. DNA multiplication is called, either it is called replication, transduction, transcription, or translation. So DNA multiplication is the process of making identical duplicate copies of DNA. A new strand of DNA can only be synthesized from another existing DNA molecule. During DNA multiplication, both the strands of DNA acts as the template strand for copying. And among the given options, replication is the process of formation of new strand of DNA. Thus, DNA multiplication is called DNA replication. So, correct answer among the given option is option A, replication. Looking towards the next question, base composition in RNA genetic code is. So, the nitrogen bases present in RNA is adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Thus, base composition in RNA genetic code will be A plus U or G plus C. So, looking towards the option, if we have something similar like this, so it's A plus P, no. A plus G, no. We want A plus U and G plus C. So, correct answer among the given option is option C. So, the base composition in RNA genetic code is adenine plus uracil and guanine plus cytosine. Next question, genetic code consists of. So, in genetic code, each 3 nucleotide in a row count as a triplet and code for single amino acid. Thus, genetic code consists of in all 64 codons, each with 3 nucleotide. Now, looking this in the options given here, that is 64 codons. So, we have two options which say 64 codons, that is option C and option D. Then we have 3 nucleotide. So, that's given only in option D, that 64 codons and each with 3 nucleotide. So, correct answer for the genetic code consists of is 64 codons each with 3 nucleotide, that is option D. Looking towards the next question, a triplet codon means. So it's a sequence of 3 nitrogen base on mRNA or sequence of 3 nitrogen base in tRNA or a sequence of 3 bases in rRNA or the presence of only 3 bases in mRNA. Now we know a codon is a set of 3 nucleotide which codes for a particular amino acid. Thus, a triplet codon means a sequence of 3 nitrogen bases on mRNA. Now, looking towards the option, so it's mRNA consisting options, we have A and T, but it's a 3 nitrogen bases. So, it's a sequence of 3 nitrogen bases, that is codon on mRNA. So, correct answer is option A. And the last question, the processes by which mRNA is made by DNA and protein by mRNA are respectively called as, either it is transcription and translation, translation and transcription, synthesis of mRNA and protein, or replication of mRNA and protein. So, the transcription is a process of conversion of DNA molecule to an RNA, or I can specifically say to an mRNA. So, this is nothing but transcription. And we also know that translation is a process of conversion of mRNA into proteins. So it's translation. So now looking towards the option that this process is a transcription process and this process is translation process, and they are respectively is transcription first and translation. So that's an option A. So the correct answer for this question is option A.